Maybe this love, happiness, smiles and laughters, good times and romantic moments ain't meant for me. And this loneliness and this darkness and this sadness, or the pain, nigga, and the sorrow and the heartbreaks is what meant for me. But accept it and just let it be. Maybe that's how niggas meant to be. So I let it be if it's meant to be, and I let it go if ain't meant to be. Cause if it's meant to be, it will always be. If ain't meant to be, it will never be. It's just how it is, and I'd accept it and just let it be. All the scars, nigga, in my heart can't stop beating, guess I never heal. I'm always hoping that my life, nigga's just a dream, but this pain, nigga, keep proving that this shit, nigga's fucking real. Always wondering how the extra love and the joy, nigga, really feels. But it is, nigga, what it is. I'll accept it and let it be. Shit won't change, nigga, this a life that I'm meant to live. This is what God shows for me. We're so used to praying every day if a nigga ain't even answering. We ain't loud enough for you to hear me, Maybe just gotta stop fighting, Maybe just gotta stop trying, Maybe just gotta stop trying, escaping the dark and let the light find me, Maybe just gotta stop trying, fighting these demons stuck inside of me. Maybe just gotta stop trying, changing my whole life and just embrace it. Cause it is, nigga, what it is, shit ain't changing. It is, nigga, what it is, shit ain't changing. But it's funny how the same person they can make your life feel like it's a fairy tale. Same person they can make you never ever ever wanna fall in love again. Same person they can make you never ever ever wanna trust your soul again. Same person they can turn heaven into hell for you. That's just how it is. Leave your heart empty like their promises. Left alone with the pain, nigga, and the torture of these heartaches. Depression and anxiety is what the scars represent. Suicidal thoughts in my head. I don't really give a fuck, nigga, I'd rather die cause I'm getting dead. I don't even know how I ended up being trapped in this dark place. Love is what the heart craves. Doesn't matter if it's real or fake, won't realize anyway. It is, nigga, what it is, or just accept shit and let it be. I guess everything really happens for a reason. Maybe I ain't good enough, that's why I'd always leave me. Maybe that's why they never need me. I just need someone to believe in me. I choose drugs over people. Maybe I'm just better off a stoner. But accept it and let it be, nigga, maybe I'm better off a loner.